Okay, I'm going to show you how to use email templates inside Gmail. So, real quick, it's pretty simple, but one of the first things you need to do is go to this gear icon and click See All Settings. Then you're going to go to Advanced, and you're going to make sure that Templates is enabled. So Templates needs to be enabled. Why that needs to be enabled, I don't know. Make sure you click Save Changes. It's going to refresh Gmail for you. Now, when you are creating an email, and let's say I have an email that I want to create as a template. Let's see here. Let me grab the copy. Let's see here. This is the template. Okay. There it is. So this is the copy that I want to turn into a template. All right. And whatever it is, whatever you want your template to be. Go down to here to more options, go to templates, and then save draft as template, and then save new template. I'm gonna call this website next steps. Okay, so now if I compose a new email and I go right here, I go to templates, website next steps, there it is. So as you can see, it showed up right away. Now, by the way, the reason I do the little hamburger things here, these are the little hamburger things, by the way. The reason I do that is so that it reminds me to swap out this with the client name. Same with this thing. I'm going to swap out the link as well. That's just why I do that. Now, one little thing that you're going to notice here, my email signature was added in twice. You see that? So what we need to do to fix that, and the reason it's doing that is because it actually saved this from here down to here as the template and then when I clicked template, it added that in and then added my email signature in again. So here's what we're going to do to fix that. We are going to redo this. So go on ahead and add in your template again. This time erase your signature. Don't worry, this isn't going to permanently delete your signature. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this. I'm going to do save draft as template, and I'm going to make it override this current one. This will overwrite. Yes, that's what I want. Okay, so now let's see if it worked. I'm going to compose a new one. My email signature is there. That's fine. But is it going to add it twice? No, it will not. There you go. See, my email signature only showed up once. That's really it. That's how you use templates. It saves a ton of time. If you want to delete a template, you go there. And really, I mean, not much else. So this is a really effective way to save a ton of time if you find yourself writing the same email over and over again. Just turn it into a template, and I would recommend putting things in all caps. You might even change this to a red font so that it reminds you when it pulls up, hey, you need to swap this out. Don't send it as it is. Anyway, that's my suggestion. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, if you found it helpful, please like it, please subscribe, and please also share it with your friends. Thanks so much.